Hello, beautiful audience worldwide.
I loved the Art of Awareness workshop. It was very, very beautiful few days to spend with Sahaja.
Oh, I have this invitation to talk about Bhairava. Bhairava was just touching me so much. Bhairava, the workshop from Sahajananda, giving us the opportunity to dive in very deep, to really have an abundance of methods to get connected with the inner light, to get back to the life stream of love and light, of energy. And we were working deeply in the text, in the literature. We were working with the methods. I loved it so much. It was really a big inspiration, this beautiful workshop, Bhairava Tantra.
There were so many moments in the workshop that really touched my heart. It was incredibly beautiful. I think something that always brings so much joy is Sahaja's joyfulness at teaching and sharing these teachings, and that just radiates through the whole workshop. And there were so many practices. It's a workshop full of mini practices that really brought such a depth very quickly to the meditations. And I felt so much stillness in the room and in the group.
As I tried to be consequent as much as possible in the heart center anyway, to be in Hridaya, to stay in the awareness of the heart, radiating the knowledge of the heart, being in the consciousness, in the pure light, I was touched in many, many moments. And we had these sharings, we had these beautiful thoughts about the method of Hamsa, and we had the thought about the method of the chakra work, the light going up and down. And this one moment when we did this Kundalini work, it was touching me so much, when I had this appearance like rooted in the earth, rooted in the sky, melting in the center, radiating love through the cosmos. It was a great experience, yes. Oh, I liked it a lot. I could eat as much as I want and need. I could just be in the green, in the forest, look at these beautiful trees, and I could have a nice chat with a lot of very lovely people, the big family of Hridaya. So all the guests coming here being so transparent, being so authentic. And I loved it from the beginning on, the workshop, the arrival, the welcome desk, opening the heart to me and giving me a beautiful campsite. So I'm welcomed, I'm at home here, yeah.
I love it. I love being here. Wow, it feels so deeply nourishing for the soul to be in this forest and to be among the Hridaya family here and to meet and reconnect with old friends and to meet the new family here also. It's, yeah, very special place. Absolutely, yeah. There was some techniques for every situation, for taking a break at work, for eating and drinking, even for blinking. So as Sahaja said in the workshop, there's always time to practice. It can just be the blinking.
Yes, and it is micro techniques, you can do it anytime. Just for example, like this. At the end of the sound, Bhairava will appear. You consequently listen to the sound fading away, and what remains is God. So we have a lot of opportunities to do it all the time, closing the eyes, opening again, looking from the heart, like Ramana Maharshi, looking out, seeing everything as it is, in the divine form, like it is told in a tantric text. I will keep on practicing, yeah.